Here we have a 2016 66 plate Ford Focus ST-3. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched, unmarked and 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the red brake calipers just handy behind. Now as you can see, this car is sitting a little lower than standard. Now it does come with the 35mm lowering springs. There are the white lines. We have the DRLs running LED side lights with your honeycomb front grille with the black grille surround. Now, do you have lots of black accents all over this vehicle, such as the black grille, the black wheels, your black window trim, and also your privacy glass on the rear, and also the vents on the rear windows. Now, you do have your rear reversing sensors, and also centre exit exhaust, flush the rear bumper, and also the rear diffuser. You have your ST badging just on the rear and on the front wings. Now, this vehicle is free from any major mark dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now, if I go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now, as you can see, we do have the full leather Recaro seats throughout with the ISOFIX point. You also have electric windows on the doors. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now, both driver and passenger are electrically adjustable. They are the Recaro bucket seats and are both also heated. You have your ST just stitched in and also your Recaro stitched in there. Electric windows on the doors, electric power folding mirrors. Jumping inside, you have your auto lights just down there. Foot on the clutch, you have your keyless start from a touch of a button. You have your multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. And looking at the dashboard, you can see the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 71,000 miles. You have your boost gauges just up there, so you have your oil bar for pressure, your pressure and also your temperature. Then you also have your screen just here as well, where you can find your satellite navigation. You have your audio, so you do have your DAB radio. You also have AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth audio. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity, back to navigation, apps, and also in settings. Scroll across, you can find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built into this vehicle. Pop the car into reverse, you can see the rear parking sensors. Looking down here, you have your dual zone climate control with ice cold aircon, 2 heated front seats just there as well, all working exactly how you would expect it to. You have your 12-volt connectivity just there, USB storage just in there, traction control on and off, and also your stop start on and off. You have your 2 nice sized cup holders in there with storage, soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat with the extended thigh support just there as well. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2016 Ford Focus ST-3. Now, the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now, as you can see, I'm not at a final steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to your left or to the right hand side. Now, do you have a multi-function steering wheel where you can change the radio stations, also the volume, but you also do have your cruise control and speed limiter. Now, you do also get a very smooth 6-speed manual gearbox. Now, going through the gears, as you just heard, there's been no unwanted noises. And as I take a left at the roundabout today, like you would if you test drive this vehicle, I'm going to go through the gears again. So I'm going to start in first, which I am currently in. So when the traffic's passed, I'll be able to start off. So first to second, second to third, third to fourth, fifth, and then into sixth. No unwanted crunches going through any of the gears. Now, do you have your boost gauges just up there as well? You also have your satellite navigation screen where you can see the satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity there as well. Your DAB radio, the visual display of your rear parking sensors, and you also have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Very nice additions to have. Now, do you have very comfortable full Recaro leather seats throughout this vehicle? Now, the 2 front seats are electrically adjustable, are both also heated and come with the extended thigh support. Now, through any of the seats in this vehicle, you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles and still get out feeling fresh. You have your ice cold aircon with your dual zone climate control, so for hot days like today, really does make all the difference. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 400 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. Now, if you read through the replies our customers really do think Our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for. So right now I'm currently in the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, just to show you that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing sensors. So pulling in now, and I do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brake, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone's knocks or bangs. If you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you haven't answered all the questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer your questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video. Test drive here to see you from you soon. Cheers.